Hey guys, tonight I wanted to show you the MadMooks Chevy Nomad liftgate gas strut kit for 55 to 57 Chevy Nomads. This is our 55 Chevy Nomad. It's a pretty nice car. It's not a show car, but it's a nice car. And here, so these are the original parts that we're going to replace with our gas strut kit. We have the factory liftgate supports. This holds the liftgate up. And that's what it clicks into place and locks when you lift the liftgate. And then these are the torsion rods. So there's supposed to be two of them. These are the helpers. So these alleviate the weight of the liftgate. Liftgates weigh roughly 50 pounds with the glass in it. And these are the culprits behind liftgates needing straightening. If you have a Nomad or are familiar with them, you know that the liftgates need straightening. It's just one of those things that everyone that's familiar with these cars knows about. So these are the reasons. So regardless if you buy our gas strut kit or not, these should be removed for the sake of your liftgate. The gas struts basically serve the same function as this, but they don't hurt the liftgate like these do. So if you remove these and don't put our gas strut kit in, the liftgate's just going to be really heavy. But you're saving the liftgate from twisting. So always remove them if they're still in the car. Now I'm going to show you how the gas struts work. It's pretty nice. Did it with one hand. And we sell them in polished stainless. You got the brackets. The brackets go in the factory locations, which is nice. Installation about 10 to 15 minutes. It's pretty easy. The toughest part of the install is if you have the torsion rods in. If you don't, I mean, this is a really quick deal. And you can see I just opened it with one hand. It's just, man, it's just a night and day difference. That is so nice, dude, compared to the originals. So we sell a lot of these. It's a great part. My dad has had these in for 12 years now. I know gas struts get kind of a bad reputation. They go out on modern cars and people are replacing them every 2 years and stuff like that. We've always bought a quality strut. Like I said, these have been in here for 12 years now and they're still working pretty good. So a lot of people are hesitant to buy them because of that reason. I put a guarantee on it. If you have any problems or anything down the line, just give me a holler and we'll take care of it. So I mentioned how the torsion rods are the culprits behind liftgates needing straightening. The torsion rods, if they were in the car, they would be right here and they crisscross each other. And when you have the liftgate closed, the rods are wanting to push the liftgate up. So it's just a helper. It makes the liftgate lighter. The problem is when you have both gates closed and you have the rods in, the rods are still wanting to push the liftgate up. But since the tailgate's closed, it has nowhere to go. The top portion starts to twist upward towards the center. Sometimes so bad where these corners, the whole liftgate will hang out like 1/4 of an inch. And you know, you get water just pouring in there if you wash your car. Road noise, exhaust smell, and it just looks bad. I mean, that's why I would want it straightened, just for the look alone. But there are benefits, functional benefits, by having it straightened. I did this one 2011. I straightened this liftgate, so I was just getting started. It's not my best work, but I've always kept it on there, just kind of as a reminder where I came from, you know, kind of deal. These are pot metal. So torsion rods are used on lots of cars, not just not just Nomads. So, you know, hardtops had the trunks on hardtops and convertibles. They all had torsion rods. And for the most part, you know, they worked good. There was no issues. But when you have a pot metal liftgate frame, pot metals, it's just super easy to move. So they got bent out of shape, and we offer a service. I got a couple liftgates here. I actually have to do these. I'm going to start these tomorrow. So I will show you what twisted liftgates look like before and then after we straighten them. I use a 56 Safari that I have out back. I bought the 56 Safari just for liftgate, the liftgate part of the business. Pontiac Safaris shared the same roof as the Nomads. I picked that car up for like $5,000. Got it pretty cheap, and I've used it since 2018 for liftgate straightening. This one, I mean, it could be a lot better in my opinion, but like I said, I was only 2 years in when I did this one. So anyways, that's the skinny on gas struts. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos this weekend when I start messing around with a couple liftgate jobs I have here, and I'll show you guys a bunch of videos on before and after kind of